Hello, my name is Hannah Graham, and you're welcome once again to my class. This class is a continuation of our previous class where we talked about all you need to know about being a freelancer, decisions you have to take. So I would say that if you are yet to watch the first class, or if you're yet to watch my last video on freelancing, please do well to go back and watch that so you can understand this better. So in the last video we talked about several things about the decisions you have to make if you must work remotely or as a freelancer. We also talked about the need to constantly gather more knowledge and information. We talked about the tools that you need to be conversant with to work effectively remotely. We talked about the information storage and preservation tools. We talked about the knowledge gathering and information gathering tools, and then we also talked about the contacts and communication channels, which is where the CRM tools, customer relationship management tools, comes in. And then today we are going to be talking about customer relationship management tool as a necessary skill for customer relationship management. So basically you have to be conversant with this CRM tools if you must work remotely as a customer relationship manager, a call agent, a chat support, email support, and all of that. You have to be able to use these tools, right? CRM softwares actually help to keep track of interactions, data, and notes about customers or potential customers. Data is actually stored in a centralized database and is accessible to multiple people within the organization. So CRM helps to streamline sales, marketing efforts, customer services, accounting, and management for growing companies. So one thing we should know is that companies use CRM for several reasons, but the overall goal is actually to improve customer experience and to increase sales, right? So CRM tools are important in every business. That is why as a remote worker you need to learn how to use these tools. If you're going to work in as an accountant, HRO, data analyst, customer care agents, email support, chat support, no matter the sector you want to focus on, it is important, it is essential that you know how to use, or that you're familiar with CRM tools and you know how to use them. It is important that you're familiar with and you know how to use CRM tools. CRM tools benefit companies in diverse ways. It helps to store customer information in one consolidated system. So instead of communicating information to multiple divisions, one can actually use CRM platform to create a single up-to-date point of truth that everyone can access. If customers regularly interact with multiple people from a particular company, it is easy to keep track of previous interactions using a CRM tool. Right? A CRM tool can also help a company track the productivity of her sales. It helps a company to establish a workflow, and it gives them a process to follow. That's why a lot of companies are actually adopting CRM tools. CRM tools help lead to better customer experience, helps to communicate more effectively with organization, right? It also helps every team member to catch up on information within the organization, information that has to do with other customers and clients of the organization. So the first CRM tool we are going to be taking a look at today is Zendesk. Zendesk is a cloud-based customer support platform that offers a variety of features to smoothen customer services for all businesses. Zendesk support ticket software helps collect all of the company's customer support requests from any source and lets you manage them from one location. Zendesk ticketing system does that. It does that incredibly well. It acts like a shared inbox for all your customers' questions and concerns. Brings together all the requests from email, from chat, from Twitter, from different platforms, thereby making it easy to keep track of all customers' issues and conversation, right? So it makes it easier and faster to attend to queries and resolve them promptly. Take for instance, when you visit some websites and you use some applications and you have some issues, technical issues and all of that. You know, you're working on this site, you're working on this application, and you cannot actually see the people, you cannot actually see anyone from the company that is offering the services. You need to ask questions, you are stuck somewhere, you need to resolve some issues. You cannot walk to their offices because, I mean, you might not have any office close to you. So what do? You go online and you quickly raise a support ticket to say, I have been trying to do this and I am unable to do it. Once you raise that ticket, there's somebody in the company that is at the background that sees it immediately. This is what Zendesk helps to do. It makes it easier to manage this support ticket, to attend to them promptly because of the way it's been integrated. It has a simple ticket management support system that helps in the tracking, in prioritizing and solving customer requests. The sales suite is designed for sales team. It offers live chat, voice support and online messaging for easy customer communication. Zendesk also have a customer self-help portal. For example, let's use our internet service provider as a case study, right? When you have an issue with your internet or you're having difficulty recharging, most times the first thing you do is to call their customer care line, right? When you do that, it tells you all of our agents are currently busy, or please wait for the next available agents. But while you're waiting, it tells you, if for information about our products and services, press 1. To resolve pending ticket issues, press 2. Now, what that system is giving to you is helping save your time. The system is trying to let you see that some issues can be resolved without you having to join the queue and waiting for a call representative to attend to you. So that's just the system offering you a self-help support. So that's one of the features that Zendesk has as well. Zendesk comes with analytic features to help the company improve customer support operations. You know, they can analyze how far they have gone and what they need to improve on, where and when necessary. Let's look at Microsoft Team. Microsoft Team is a collaboration app that has all your chats, all conversation and all files in one location. With Teams, you can actually collaborate communication in a single and secured location. It allows audio conferencing, online meetings, chat functions, conversation with in-channel and with Teams, video calling, screen sharing. You can actually plan your day-to-day tasks using Teams. Teams also helps you to store documents and collaborate files. All of these are the things that are possible using Teams. Teams are made up of channels, which are conversation boards between teammates. All team members can actually view and add to different conversation in the general channel. They can use the add function to invite other members to different conversations and all of that. The basic chat function is commonly found within most collaboration app and can take places between team groups. Team online video calling feature is actually a very great one. It helps you to enjoy simple and fast desktop sharing for technical assistance and multi-user real-time collaboration. You can also hold online meetings on Microsoft Team. It helps you to enhance your communication, company-wide meeting, and even training. You can carry out online training using Google Teams as well. You can host up to 10,000 users online, right? You can host up to 10,000 users using Google Teams. So you see that it's actually very massive, right? Anyone from within and outside the business can join the meeting depending on how you want it. It has audio conferencing as well, whereby anyone can actually join an online meeting via phone with a dial-in number, right? Even if the person is not it does not have internet access at that time, the person can actually join an audio conversation. So these are the features that Team has. Let's look at Slack. Slack basically is a messaging app for businesses that connects people to the information they need. Slack replaces email with something faster, something better, more organized and more secured. It actually allows you to get instant notification when someone in the channel or any other individual tags you. Through Slack, you can make calls to your colleagues or your clients from anywhere at any time. Slack is actually all inclusive because it allows you to integrate Office 365, ClickUp, Google, Hubspot, and all of that, right? Slack helps you to work in a more connected, flexible, and inclusive way. It gives you access to your colleagues, easy messaging to anyone inside or outside the organization. It helps to collaborate just like you would in person. You can actually work in dedicated spaces like channels in using Slack, and you can work in channels using Slack, bringing everybody together and sharing information. Slack supports synchronous work. When work is organized in channels, no matter your location, your time zone, or your function, you can access the information you need on your own time. You can ask questions, get caught up, and share updates without having to coordinate schedules. It's all inclusive in the sense that everyone in an organization have access to the same shared and searchable information. When teams work together in channels, information can be shared with everyone at once, helping keep teams stay aligned and help them to make decisions faster and more effectively and efficiently. So you can see the similarity between Slack and other CRM tools I already talked about. So you see what I mean by these tools are actually they are similar in nature. They are similar. All of these tools are similar. So if you can use one, you can actually be able to navigate your way around the other. Yeah. So let's see Hubspot. Hubspot is the last example we are going to be taking. Hubspot is an inbound marketing and sales platform that helps companies to attract visitors, convert them to leads, and close customers. It offers everything a marketer needs to stay focused on the task. Hubspot analytics help the company to track the effectiveness of each campaign and optimize them for enhanced future performance. Hubspot helps to increase social media activity and to improve your social interaction without you investing more time and effort. It's actually a very powerful tool for marketing, right? It helps companies organize and track customer communication with reporting dashboard, live chat, conversational button, many useful tools. With Hubspot, the entire team has access to company CRM, no limits. You can store as many as 1 million contacts and companies on Hubspot. Hubspot also integrates Gmail and Outlook, so your team's conversation with leads and clients are stored and their workday isn't interrupted, right? It has email scheduling for your newsletters and email marketing campaigns. It also provides team email to make sure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goal. It has live chats for websites, so you can actually capture leads even after working hours are over. It has deals, track tickets, and prospect feature that allows you to keep track of where every prospect is in the sales process and make tickets for any client who might have a question. You'll be surprised how you visit a website and before you know, the website sending you a message, they're sending you updates on their new product, they are getting back to you. This is just CRM tools at work. So Hubspot is actually one of the robust CRM tools that we have. It offers a long list of tools you can use to draw in qualified potential leads, do better business with existing clients, and manage your customers more effectively. It has a marketing hub, it has a sales hub, it has a services hub. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this particular class is actually not complete without the task. For everyone that filled the bio form, you're going to get emails indicating the different tasks that you're supposed to carry out, right? So you have to do those tasks. Now, just for better understanding, attached to this link are also other links with a step-to-step illustration of how you can use these CRM tools. So after watching this video, do well to watch the illustrations, the step-to-step illustrations on how you can make use of these CRM tools. Then you can now go over to your tasks. And then our next live session, we are going to take a review of how this works. We are going to look at what you've done, your tasks. We're going to review everything. And then I'm going to be available also to take questions and concerns on the CRM tools. So as a means of reminder, I hope you are taking your courses. I hope you're getting certified. I hope you're getting certified. I hope you're getting certified. All right. Please do well to go through all of the training materials, go through the step-to-step illustrations on how to use the CRM tools. Make sure you find time to carry out your task. Make sure you find time to do your task. And then see you during the live session. Bye.